Iona here, looking at 8 steps in the creative process to create justice and harmony for all. This is an extraordinarily important time, and once we have our dream, a fondest dream, and we hold it as a vision, and we begin to do our research to see what needs to happen to create the opportunity for that vision to manifest, the fourth is to take action. We want to take action on our vision. We want to take the research that we've engaged in, and now we get out and we get on the road. We begin to take step-by-step action. Action is something like a phone call or sending an email, making a donation, writing a letter from our heart, longhand, to someone, finding a way to make a connection in the world, finding a way that we can take the dream vision that we've researched, and now we take action on that dream vision. We let people know, I'm taking action right now. My heart has been breaking. I have felt the awareness of so much vulnerability from my own life history and how it has encouraged me and strengthened me and pushed me out of my comfort zone to continuously find new ways to communicate and connect. And so action is whatever you discover, but take action so that your dream can become a researched vision that allows you to recognize that I can do this today. I can take this action at this time to send my own desire for creativity, for justice, and for harmony for all out into the world. See you soon.